As an older lady, I'm nearly 60. I've been active all my life, but now that I'm getting older, I can't just go, join a basketball team or volleyball team, or I can't do softball anymore and things like that, and racquetball. I don't do those things anymore, but I used to. And then I picked up a kick scooter, so I started kick scooting down the on the green belt in Idaho Falls, and loved it. I still love it. But I heard that there was a new climbing gym in town. I thought, oh, great, because the other one closed, and I went there one day just to check it out, and I walked in, and it was just this most amazing, humongous gym. It had bouldering, and it had top rope, and it had a gym, and it had a cave. They call it the cave. It's another bouldering cave. And I thought, wow, this is so cool. I'm gonna just go ask him and see what's going on. And so I did, and I went back the very next day and paid for a day of climbing. And then I came home, gathered up my money, went back to the gym and said, I want a year's membership. So I started climbing, and they had this. What happened was I bought a summer membership, which was discounted for June, July, and August. So it was only $150 for those 3 months. And then the rental was like $14 to rent the harness and the chalk bag and the shoes. So I did that. I did that for 3 months. And my grandsons came, and I paid for my grandsons to climb for a month, and it was so fun. I love climbing with my grandsons. Quincy's the best climber. He's just very flexible. He can do splits both ways, and that really helps. But he just had a natural ability to climb. Anyway, it was so fun. So I climbed with them, and there was a vertical mile challenge, which means if you climb up 150 routes, that's a mile in that gym. So I did that, and then I did 2 miles, and then I did more than that. By the end of August, that's when it ended. I had done like 2 miles and a quarter, and Quincy had done a mile, and Quincy's 8, and Paul, who's 6, he did 2/3 of a mile, and then David came later, and he did a bunch. So, Grandma climbing with her grandsons, that was really awesome. So after August, I got Alan to come and climb, because he was like, I'm not gonna go climb. That's your thing. I don't know exactly how he felt. Maybe he could tell you. But I finally got him to go climb once. And it was hard for him. But if something's hard, he wants to do it. He wants to do it, and he wants to do it well. And so it's like, okay, now I have a challenge. I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna beat this girl, because he did that with racquetball. He's done that with everything. If I'm ever better than he is, he just wants to excel in things like that, things that are really difficult. Anyway, so he loved climbing, and we went to I think we just bought a year membership. Just that day, probably. I think he went over to the counter and said, here's my card. I'm going to buy a year's membership. And so we are, actually. We got it for both of us. And we have gone 2 or 3 times ever since.